Okay, so now we've got the power supply in, and you'll notice I put all the power strips just sitting out. That way they're not in the way of what we're about to do. Next thing that goes in is our hard drive. Now the nice thing about this is you've got quick release, so you can actually line these up, and rather than having to put in individual screws, just tighten it and it'll hold it in place into the screw spot. So I'm going to line these up here, turn it, until it tightens down, no movement, so we're done with the hard drive. So the next step is one of the more difficult on the early parts. It's not really difficult at all, but you got to come in here and make sure you don't break anything. But usually these plastics will come out pretty easily. But the counter to this is that there's actually a metal piece. You have to wiggle around inside, and it's going to come off for good. It was held on by two little divots on the metal. So you see that right there. So when you wiggle it like this, it releases and it's out of the way. So once that's out of the way, go ahead and find how they've got it attached in here. It's a little lip that is what you need to push up on. So you'll see on this plastic there's a little lip. You'll probably want to hold on to this just in case one of these other ones break. You'll have a replacement. So I'm going to put it in the main case box because we're going to always hold on to that. It's probably the most important piece to hold on to. Nice thing about this one is it's another quick release. So all you do is on the side here, just like on the hard drive, you'll see that there's spots for screws. So we just line them up. This will slide smoothly, and if I put that in a quick release, there we go. So you make it where it's flush to the front, right here. So you find where the screws are lined up. This would be lined up if you were using screws. And turn it until it's solid. Give it a little wiggle, make sure it's not going anywhere. There you go. So you've got the power supply, your hard drive, and your optical drive in place. The next things are when we get a little more intricate, because next there's really nothing else we can do without putting on a motherboard. So we'll go ahead and pause, get everything set back up.